Thank you very much. Just so that you know, we've had Prime Minister and we had different meetings in Washington at the sidelines of the UN General Assembly. I had engagement with Secretary Blinken, and they have also committed to provide more capabilities in terms of transport and other facilities that would help us move forward. I must commend Prime Minister that 11 days ago, schools were opened in Haiti after a very long time. That's an act of courage, and we intend to provide support and ask the international community to come along with us, because there will be requirements for rebuilding some of the schools, rebuilding some of the hospitals and other facilities for the people of Haiti to begin to regain normalcy in their lives. And that additional support, aside from the security personnel and the stability and peace that we are pursuing, will be necessary to carry the community along with the social infrastructure that will help stabilize the country, create hope, and move people to the next level. So otherwise, thank you very much, and thank you for coming for the press conference. Asante sana.
Thank you, Excellencies. That brings us to the end of this press briefing. We shall allow the Excellencies to retreat as we'll be guided on our next steps from here.
Na mtazamaji, ni kikao cha wanahabari ambacho kimetamatika katika ikulu ya Nairobi, ambapo waziri mkuu wa taifa la Haiti Gary Conille na Rais William Ruto walikuwa wamefanya kikao na wanahabari.